City Plus body lotion. Is it worth buying? Is it good for your skin? Is it going to give you any side effects? Watch this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damlola and I'm so happy to be back here on my beauty channel. If you're new to this particular channel, do it, subscribe, and post notification, like this video, and please drop a comment. But if you're returning subscribers, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Let's get to what I have for you guys today. Someone actually requested I do a CT Plus body lotion review, and I thought to myself, who am I to say no to you guys? You guys are wonderful people. I don't have a choice. I have to do it ASAP. So I went ahead to do some research. I have to do some research, of course, because I can't come here and go and be saying Tagmadantis. I realized that this particular lotion has different types. There is the white one, there is the orange, which is the carrot one, there is golden glow, which is a bit goldish in color, like the plastic that it comes with, and there is this glitter C. So there are like different types like that. I'm not sure of the one you really want to go for, but before you can actually decide to pick one, you must ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? What is my skin type? I always preach this. Understand your skin type, know your skin type, know your skin color. Those things are very, very important. So that in case you want to buy a particular skincare product, you know the one to go for, you know what you're trying to do, you know what you want to try to achieve. All right, it just helps you basically. It's very, very important. I'm going to give you guys a detailed review about this particular lotion. I'm going to tell you guys how to use it. I'm going to tell you guys how to differentiate the fake from the original. So you guys can see that this particular video is full package, like confirm full package. I came to give you guys everything, all encompasses, right? City Plus body lotion or Clear Therapy body lotion is a very beautiful body lotion. It's has a milky consistency. It's extremely thick. It is basically formulated to solve pigment problem. If you have a pigmentation issue, this particular lotion is formulated to solve that problem. If you want to get your skin to a 3 shade lighter, this particular lotion is going to do that for you. Like, it's so fantastic. It's going to make your skin really smooth, radiant. It gives you that glowing effect, make your skin soft, so beautiful actually, that people will be asking you, please, what are you using on your skin? That is the kind of lotion it is. And funny enough, it is very, very affordable. It is sold for $35, depending on your area basically, or your location. It is sold for a very, very affordable price. So people will go ahead and buy 5,000, 7,000 naira body lotion just because they just want to get this whitening effect or lightening effect. Like I said, there are 4 types. I'm going to concentrate more on the whitening one and the carrot one. Yeah, the whitening one has hydroquinone, that's 2% hydroquinone, while the carrot one has carrot oil. These 2 lotions have the same ingredient. The only thing that is just different is just the carrot oil and the hydroquinone. Now let's go to some key ingredients that they both have, right? The ingredients are the following: purified water, hydroquinone, that is for the white one, then carrot oil, that is for the carrot one. They both have glycerin, they both have kojic acid, they both have citric acid, they both have fruit acid AHA, they both have liquid petroleum jelly, and some other ingredients like that, right? So that is to show that they have very strong ingredients, highly potent ingredients, in this particular lotion. So that means you need to be very, very careful. You need to be sure that you are ready to actually dive into using this particular lotion. Bear in mind that if you want to actually get lighting in 14 days, this particular lotion is going to get you lighting in 10 days, guys. In 10 days, I repeat, 10 days. That shows that this lotion is amazing, right? It's amazing. It's actually really superb, no doubt. It's going to lighten you in 10 days. But there's a particular way to go about it. Now, also have this at the back of your mind that if you want to go for this particular lotion, after 3 months, you should stop using it. After 3 months, you should stop using it. I repeat, after 3 months, you should stop using it. Yes, this lotion is good. Some people even use it for 6 months. Some people use it for 10 months, for a year, and they still continue to repurchase. But me, I would advise that you please stop using it after 3 months. And after that, make sure you get a body lotion, a moisturizer, a body cream, or whatever you want to get that is actually going to maintain that particular color that this particular lotion has given to you. Get a lotion or a cream or a moisturizer that will maintain this particular color that this lotion has given to you. All right, please disembark after 3 months. I repeat, disembark after 3 months, if possible even lesser than 3 months, okay? Because this particular lotion is extremely strong, especially for those of you that have sensitive skin. Disembark. I repeat, disembark. Okay, now what happens if you don't disembark? What happens if you actually continue to use this lotion? I mean, then why you tell us to disembark, disembark call? Okay, let me tell you what will happen to you. First of all, before I tell you what will happen to you, do you know that this particular lotion comes with soap, with oil, yes, and the body cream? Some retailers, wholesalers might tell you to please buy or recommend to you that you should please buy this lotion with the oil, with the soap, with the body cream. They would recommend for you to do that. But me, I would advise, it's a suggestion, you can decide to pick or not pick. I'd advise that you don't do that. Just go for only the lotion alone. If you want to use just the lotion, use the lotion. If you want to use just the soap, use the soap. If you want to use just the oil, use the oil. That is my own suggestion, because each of these products have strong ingredients, highly potent ingredients that are extremely strong for your skin. So imagine having to combine each of these products together. You already have one particular product that has very strong, effective ingredients in it. You now want to combine plenty strong, oh Lord my God, plenty strong ingredients together, guys. On just on one skin, this your skin, on just one body, guys. Let me use one body. On just one body, guys, it is too much. It is definitely too much. It is definitely overboard. It's gonna make you react. There's nothing you want to tell me. I don't know how your skin is so tough. I don't know how your skin wants to be so tough. If you're combining everything together, it is wrong. Guys, it is wrong. I know that they will tell you to please use all the products together so you can get a better result. But please do not do that. Just use one product. You can combine it with another soap, another product. You can use another oil. You can use another, another body cream. But don't do that. Don't use the oil together with the lotion, with the body cream. Do you guys get what I'm trying to say? Like, do you guys get my explanation at all? Don't combine everything together. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because if you do, you are exposing yourself to some skin reactions. All right. Now, I said earlier that if you use it for more than 3 months, there are some things that will happen to your skin. Also, if you use everything together like that, plus the soap and the body cream, there are some things that will definitely affect your skin. You might be exposing yourself to stretch marks, exposing your skin to sunburn, exposing your skin to discoloration, exposing your skin to dark knuckles, exposing your skin to dark areas, dark feet, dark gbogbo. So please stay away from all these things. If you just want to stick to this particular lotion, stick to it. And also, hey, Dami has come. Dami has plenty to say about this particular lotion. Yes, I do. Also, because the lotion is too strong, it's actually very, very strong, right? Though some people say that, hydroquinone is just 2% of hydroquinone that is there now. It's not so strong. My dear brothers and sisters, it is strong. Also, if you have a sensitive skin, this is actually for everybody, not just for people that have sensitive skin. It's better to be safe than to be sorry. Please, don't use this particular lotion in the morning. In fact, even if you use it in the morning, make sure you buy your sunscreen. Make sure you have a sunscreen. And this lotion is just survival, maybe 1,800 in some places, Sunscreen is like 10,000 naira, 9,000 naira. If you say you want to actually really buy this lotion, you must be ready to also spend money for sunscreen. So please, make sure you buy your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. If you're using this lotion in the morning and you don't use your sunscreen, you now come at the comment section and say, I started experiencing dark areas of my face. I started experiencing dark something on my body. Guys, are you using your sunscreen? use your sunscreen on your body, on your face, because this lotion is extremely strong, yo. I am saying my own, yo. Okay. All right. Also, guys, I have a lot of things to say about this lotion. Also, if you're using this lotion and you're using your sunscreen, it did not stop there. I would advise that you don't even use this lotion in the morning at all. Look for a moisturizer, a safe, simple, gentle moisturizer that you can use during the day. It might even be almond oil or carrot oil or any oil of your type, of your choice, actually, or any oil of your choice. Look for any moisturizer, anyone that is safe and gentle. I repeat, safe and gentle. Use it on your skin in the morning, during the day. Then at night, you can use this City Plus body lotion. At night, you can use this City Plus body lotion. If I were you, I would not even use this City Plus body lotion every night. I'll use it maybe 4 times in a week or 3 times in a week at night. That is to say, Damola is extremely a safe player. I play safe too much. Sometimes I can't even go overboard with it. So guys, please, if you want to use this lotion, use it at night. Don't use it in the morning. Use a good, safe body lotion or moisturizer or body cream in the morning, guys. Or oil in the morning. And don't use 60 plus body oil in the morning. Don't do that. If you're using the lotion, don't use the oil. Is that you use the oil and don't use the lotion, or use the lotion and use the oil? So please look for something really gentle, something nice, something affordable. People even go overboard with it and use this particular lotion in the morning. Is that nice again? Kilo day onto just this one body, you guys. Please, let's not stress our skin too much. Let's not overstretch and stress our skin too much. If you overstretch your skin, you're going to have stretch marks. Please, we don't want to have green veins. We don't want to have stretch marks here. We don't want to have sunburn. We don't want to have any discoloration on our skin or any rashes or any whatever, or dark feet or dark knuckles. We don't want that here. So because of that, what we need to do is to please take precautions. Take precautions. If you want to use this lotion, please, I would advise that you play safe. Play safe with it, okay? Be highly calculative, very smart and intelligent with it. All right, now let's go to how to identify the fake City Plus body lotion and the original. Guys, it is very easy. It's very simple. And this is one that I want you guys to know. If you're buying any skincare products at all, at the market, wherever you're buying your own skincare products from, cosmetic store, anywhere, always make sure you check the back of it. Always make sure that you check the back of it. Now, if you want to buy this particular City Plus body lotion, check the back of it. The original one is made by Dreams Cosmetics in Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire, while the fake one is made by Angel Cosmetics or whatever. Anything aside Dream Cosmetics in Abidjan, please do not buy it. I repeat, do not buy it. If not, you might expose your skin to any skin reaction at all. Call it whatever, stretch marks, rashes, whatever. You might expose your skin to all those things. Please always check the back of this particular lotion. If you have any questions about the particular lotion or anything you want to ask me, or you want to make a request of a particular video, please drop your comments at the comment section. If you want a recommendation or a consultation with me, follow me on IG at Oludami on Instagram. All right, thank you so much. That is all I have for you guys for now. Many more are to come. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notification, and tell me something great at the comment section. I love you guys. See ya. Bye.